Hi everybody, it's Howie from Shoreline Harley-Davidson in beautiful West Long Branch, New Jersey. So we just got this brand new 2021 Road Glide in. We sent it in the back. Our parts and service department put on the Road Glide front spoiler kit. I just want to show you guys and gals this. Really dresses up the bike nice. It is standard on the CVO Road Glide. Doesn't cost a whole lot of money. And it really customizes the bike, really nice. This bike is for sale. It's a brand new 2021 Road Glide Special, vivid black with black trim. Got the stretch bags on it. It's got the RDRS, which is Harley-Davidson traction control. So come on down to Shoreline Harley-Davidson. Check out these parts that we just put on this bike, or just check out the bike. It's all ready to go. It's customized. Come on down. Have a great day. Thanks for listening.